Hi, if you're planning to launch a new website or make some changes on a current one, you might want to use a splash page that will say "Coming soon" or "Site under maintenance." It improves user experience because nobody likes to see an unfinished or broken website. Today, I'm going to show you a WordPress plugin called Maintenance. It comes in two options, free and pro. First, let's have a look at the free version. Here is our default WordPress install. To install a free version of Maintenance plugin, you have to find it in Plugins section. Click Add New. Type in Maintenance. Click Install Now. Let's activate the plugin. It automatically brings up a splash page so we can have a look at its default layout. As we see, it looks gorgeous with this image of the mountain taken from Unsplash. It has a little log icon that reveals a login form with this cool effect. You can see the maintenance mode is on, text displayed. It pretty much covers the basic features that are expected from a splash page. You can change this text and carry on with site development. But we can see some more features available to make the page look a little bit more authentic. Imagine you're creating a new site and don't want to make it public before it's finished. You already have this basic splash page up. There's a chance you want to add your own branding. Add Google Analytics code and see the number of people who visited your page. You can play around with different background images and blur, upload a logo, select fonts and colors. In this case, there's no need for the login form to be displayed, even though it has this cool effect. So for the logo, we recommend using 220 by 285 logo size. Background image, I really like this image, but if I would change it, I would find one that is not smaller than Full HD, so 1920 by 1280. Select different. Background can also be just plain color. Make sure the font colors are also adjusted. I can select different font family, so let's go for Montserrat. This 503 thing is activated by default. What it does, it displays a service temporary unavailable error. So your splash page will not be indexed by Google search. When you check it off, you can easily paste your Google Analytics ID. So UA, so let's take the just random one. And it will be active after you save the settings. So here is our page. Blur is another cool feature to play around with. You can set it from 1 to 100. So let's set it for 100. It completely blurred the image. Also, there's a CSS code. Let's say you are a developer. You've been working on a site on the maintenance and now it's time to show it to the customer for the first review. You can create a user and send him the access. So let's add new. Let's call it Fruitful. The user received the email. When the client arrives, he will see this splash page up and use the form to enter. So he will type in Fruitful. and this password. Click login. You can hide this admin bar by checking off the box, this admin bar. The site is shown as if it already live in this case. If he worked with WordPress before and will try typing in the WP admin, he will be able to see the dashboard. You also can exclude some pages. So for example, you only want to show about us, contact us, and mission page. Click save. And the user, if he tries to access about us page, he will see it, and he will not see other pages like sample page. So that's about it for the free version. If you are a developer, in Pro version there are so much more advanced features, such as user roles that allow you to select who can view website when maintenance is active, gallery with background video support, countdown timer with different styles, custom HTML area that is displayed in a pop-up window, Mailchimp and campaign monitor subscription form, and of course social media icons. Let's have a closer look at the Pro version. Pro version is available for purchase from Code Canyon. Download zip from download section. After you download, don't forget to check off 5-star feedback. Before installing the Pro version, make sure you have a free version activated as well. Add new. Upload plugin. Choose file. Choose install now. After plugin is activated, you will find all the extra features I mentioned. So let's have a look at default first. The first thing to notice is this countdown timer, which has 3 different styles. Simple, without any borders, and the new one is the circles with this cool effect. Another thing that we have here is the HTML editor. You can embed YouTube video and it will open in the pop-up. I recommend setting the width of 980 and the height of 550. Click read more and you see the video over here. And other thing added is Mailchimp subscriptions, email lists here. Set the title, select what you use, Mailchimp or campaign monitor. API key and list ID, I will add links to the how-tos in the comments below. Social media, you can add your Facebook, just links to your social profiles. Clickable, and they open in a new window. Gallery, you can add several images for the gallery and set the delay time. Default time of 7000 is okay. As well, you can add a YouTube video in here as a background. So the video will be displayed on a background. At the moment there is no chance to make it silent. You can select a video without sound. You can also set restrictions for user roles. For example, a Fruitful user had a subscriber, and if we go to maintenance and check subscriber, then when he tries to enter the website, he will be restricted. That's it for today. It was WordPress maintenance plugin. Download maintenance free at wordpress.org. Pro version can be purchased from codecanyon.net. All links are available in description below this video. Thanks for watching.